If you've ever wanted to take a Canva template and make it truly your own, while also being able to share it with clients, colleagues, or friends, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit and share templates in Canva, step by step, so you can design faster and collaborate smarter. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Open up the template you'd like to work on. Once inside, you'll see a wide range of customization options right at your fingertips. To add new elements, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. Here, you can find everything from shapes and lines to stickers, icons, and charts. Simply click and drag them into your design to enhance your layout. Next, explore the Graphics section. Canva has a massive library of illustrations, photos, and design assets that can instantly make your template more engaging. Pick what fits your project, drag it into your design, and adjust its size and position until it feels just right. Once your template looks the way you want, it's time to share it. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click Share. Canva gives you several options. Download your design, send it by email, share it directly on social media, or generate a shareable link. For templates, you'll want to create a template link. To do that, click See All under the sharing options, then choose Template Link. When you click Create Template Link, Canva generates a unique URL. Copy this link and you can send it via email, messaging apps, or even post it on social platforms. The best part is that anyone who opens this link won't edit your original design. They'll get their own copy to customize, making it perfect for collaboration, team projects, or educational use. And that's it. You now know how to edit and share templates in Canva like a pro. This simple workflow will save you time and make your designs more versatile. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other Canva tutorials for even more design tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating!